In this video, I will show you that how you can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Kucoin Exchange by following these simple steps. If you want to transfer from Kucoin Exchange to Trust Wallet account, I have already created a separate video on that topic. You can find the link from the description. Let's start our video. So I have opened Trust Wallet on my cell phone. So here you can see I have many coins just like BTC and some other coins. So if you come on the USDT, I have USDT in BNB Smart Chain. Also, I have BNB in Tron network. Tron is basically TRC20 network. So I want to transfer USDT from my Tron network. Click on it. So I have 3.5 USDT in my TRC20 account. So whenever you transfer USDT or any coin from Trust Wallet, so you have to pay the fee in the same network. I have USDT TRC20 network, which is called Tron network. So I have to pay the fee in TRX. I must have some Tron in my account. If you come on the TRX, so here you can see I have 7.24 TRX. So the fee will be deducted from my TRX coin. Similarly, if you have USDT in your BEP20 network, then you have to pay the fee in the BNB coin. Or if you have USDT in the Solana network, then you have to pay the fee in SOL coin. So I hope you understand the concept. So I will transfer USDT from my Tron network. So to transfer USDT, you have to click on the send, and here you have to paste the address. And on the bottom, you have to type USDT, how much USDT you want to transfer from Trust Wallet to Kucoin account. So come on the Kucoin account and let's get the TRC20 network. So I have opened Kucoin account on my cell phone. So if you want to receive USDT or any coin, you have to click on the assets. After that, you have to select deposit because currently we are depositing coin on our Kucoin account. So click deposit, and here you have to select the coin which you want to deposit. Currently, we want to deposit USDT, and here you have to select the network in which network you want to receive your USDT. The network should be same on the Kucoin and Trust Wallet. Otherwise, you may lose your funds. So we are transferring USDT TRC20 network from Trust Wallet to Kucoin. So here we will select TRC20 network. So this is the address. Just copy this, and here you can see it's a step where you want to deposit the received funds. You can deposit on your funding account or trading account. Choice is yours, but I will receive on my funding account. The minimum deposit is 1 USDT. The deposit confirmation should be 3 blocks. So we got the TRC20 network of USDT. Come on the Trust Wallet account. Here you have to paste the address and how much USDT you want to transfer. I want to transfer 3 USDT. So here you can see the asset you want to transfer is TRC20 USDT TRC20 from main wallet to the address. And what the network fee is 13.53 TRX, which is equal to $1.46. So I have to pay $1.46 in TRX. So everything is okay. Press confirm. Alright. It says processing. If you want to see the transaction details, press transaction details. So our transaction is completed within a second. But let's see on the Kucoin. Come on the Kucoin exchange. Cancel this. Press history button. So here you can see we have received 3 USDT. You click on it, so our transaction is completed within a second. So it will not take you much time to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Kucoin account. So I hope you understand the video. If you face any problem, you can comment down below. See you in the next video.